Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2012 Lincoln MKX. We're doing some spark plugs. Front half, easy to get to. Back half, got to take the intake off. Most Lincolns are going to have that little setup right there. Two little pop pins. Flathead screwdriver will take those out. And then there's an 8 that goes right here. This whole cover comes off. Take out your air filter housing. Screw here. Mass airflow sensor, pop it off, and then the hose that's going to go right there to the back half of the front half of the valve cover. This little back cover also comes off so you can gain access to everything. So, intake manifold, all 8s, 2 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and here. These 2 are going to be kind of hidden because of this harness. I took off, there's your PCM. I disconnected the PCM to move the cables up and out of the way. 1 here, 2 over here. Harness right here is tucked in. A little spot here, a little spot here. That way it's up and moved out of the way so that you can get the intake manifold itself off. Throttle body will need to come off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 millimeters here. Plug for the throttle body itself. Right there. You can take the throttle body off in order to get to that bracket. See right here, 8 millimeter right here, goes right here. That's the back half of the throttle body that's being held in. So if you got all these bolts off here, and it still won't come off, that's why, because you're missing this one. Vacuum hose right here. Vacuum hose back here. This one's going to be for the PCV section. This one's going to be for the brake booster. So just take 2 little clamps off of this. This one's the easiest. This one you can't really get to until you get the manifold up and out and move it closer towards you. Then you can get to this one. See, it's right here. But once that's up, lift it up, get it out of the way. Make sure that you put rags down in the intake so nothing gets dropped down in there. Bolt, tool, trash. Just makes a cleaner environment. Spark plugs themselves, 1, 2, 3, 8. Disconnect your connector. These pop out. I use this type of a tool to go back there, and it just pops it up like that. This is on all 3 of those. Once those connectors are undone, then it is a 5/8 spark plug socket like this. Got magnetic. Mine's got a little wobbly on here, so it makes that part easier. So that's what the front 3 look like. Getting ready to do the back ones. But going back together, also remember to replace your intake manifold gasket and your throttle body gasket, which most kits come with all of that. Tools I used: pair of needle nose pliers, pry bar, hose clamp tool, trim tool, ratchet extension, 8, 3/8, flathead, and a pair of pliers to loosen up the hoses. Other than that, if you got most of the stuff handy and you're relatively competent in doing things of this nature, hour and a half tops. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.